Hey guys, this is Tasnim and welcome back to my channel. So today I did this green and red makeup look. I wouldn't ever pair this eye look with a red lip, but I did to keep the holiday vibes since this is a holiday makeup look, and when I think of holiday I think of Christmas, and Christmas is basically green and red. So yeah, I hope you guys will like this video. This eye look is very easy to recreate. Any beginner can do it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment below if you would ever go that bold, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm starting off with the eye look with my Makeup Revolution Trends Mischief Mattes palette. Taking the light green shade Believer, I'm going to place it on my crease and then blend it in there. I'm going to continue blending it until I have my satisfied color, the color I just want in there. So continue to blend and make sure there are no harsh edges left. Now I'm going to dip into the shade Poison, which is a darker green color. I'm going to also place this color onto my crease, but just below the light green color. I don't want the light green color to go away. I want that color to peek through. So yeah, make sure to blend the color Poison just below your light green color. You do not have to use the same color palette. You can change it, but just use the same process. Now taking that light green shade from my Makeup Revolution Eyes Like Angels palette. I lost the pamphlet, so I do not remember the shade. I'm so sorry. So I'm going to wet my brush with the setting spray, and then I'm going to place it on my eyelid, just the 1/3 of my eyelid in the inner corners. Wetting the brush will help get a more intense color. Now taking the olive green shimmery color from the same palette, I'm going to place it on the center of my eyelid. So I'm going to create a gradient between these two shimmery colors. Now taking the darker green color from the same palette, I'm going to place it on my outer corners. It isn't as shimmery as the other two colors. It is more like a matte shade, like a satin shade with just a little bit of shimmers. So I'm going to blend it out in my outer corner nicely with the crease as well. Now taking my Kiss Beauty liner in the shade Gold, I'm going to define my crease with it. This is going to give me a definition of a illusion of a cut crease, without actually cutting it with some concealer and doing the whole process. So it's a very quick hack for beginners. Now taking my Kat Von D eyeliner, I'm going to line my upper waterline in a very thin stroke. I didn't show the whole clip because I went off of camera since I'm a beginner at that. I'm now finishing off the eye look with some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I'm going to coat my lashes well with it and build it up. You do not have to use the same products as I'm using mine, but I'll still mention all of them in the description box below. Now this is the finished eye look, very easy to recreate. Now I'm going to use my BECCA Skin Perfector primer. This is going to add a glow to my face but still fill them pores, and for the holidays you definitely need a very nice glow to your face. Now jumping to foundation, I'm going to use my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Caramel. and I'm going to apply it to my face. I would do the dotting like dropwise motion, but then like dotting it around my face gives me more control to blend that product. And this foundation is a tad bit yellow and darker for me, so I like to use a lighter concealer with it. I'm just bouncing the beauty blender around my face to blend the product. I'm not dragging it, as you guys can see. And I'm going to go back with the foundation again to the necessary areas where I think I need more coverage. And then just blend them out. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium, I'm going to apply it under my eyes and also to the bridge of my nose. This is a very creamy concealer, blends out very easily and gives a very good coverage as well, like a medium to full coverage. I'm here using the same beauty blender to blend that concealer. Finishing off the eye look with just doing my under eyes, I'm just smoking out that darker green color on my lower lash line that I used on the outer corner. Now taking my bronzer, I'm going to bronze my cheeks, make them more chiseled and give my face some life back. Taking my sleek highlighter, I'm going to highlight the tops of my face, my nose, and my cupid's bow. I would rather go for a nude lip, but for the holiday makeup, I'm just pairing it with a red lip. This is by Jordana in the shade Tiramisu. I don't remember the shade, but I will mention it in the description box. But it is a very nice red color for us medium skin tone people. So yeah, that's the finished eye look. I hope you all liked it, and I'm going to see you all next time. Bye!